بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran Ali Rizvi. And you watching GMW Web News. Today headlines highlights: FBR acts against 270,000 non-filers of returns. Updated ATL contains names of over 2.4 million taxpayers. Details. Karachi, the Federal Board of Revenue, FBR, has initiated legal actions against at least 270,000 taxpayers who couldn't file returns for the tax year 2019 despite being enrolled in the previous tax year, sources said on Monday. The sources said tax authorities are sending notices to individuals and companies that filed returns and declaration of assets for tax year 2018, but failed to comply with the obligation in the subsequent year. The sources said the action began after expiry of due date for filing of tax returns, which was February 28, 2020. The sources at Regional Tax Office, RTO, Karachi said the tax office started issuing notices, giving an opportunity to non-filers to ensure compliance along with payment of late filing. In case company deliberately defaults, then penal provisions may be invoked, an official at the RTO Karachi said. The official said if an individual deliberately does not comply with the notice for filing returns, then the individuals would be liable to fine or a 1-year imprisonment. The latest active taxpayers list, ATL, revealed that around 2.53 million individuals and companies filed annual returns for the tax year 2019. The ATL showed number of returns filed up to February 29. Meanwhile, the estimated number of returns filing for the tax year 2018 increased to a record high of over 2.8 million, showing a gap of around 270,000 returns, compared to the number for the tax year 2019. However, the latest returns filing increased 58%, compared to 1.6 million returns filed till February 28, 2019. Under a Section 114 of Income Tax Ordinance 2001, the FBR explained the mandatory requirement of returns filing on certain classes of individuals and companies. Under the law, every company registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, is required to file returns. But the FBR received around 40,988 corporate returns for the tax year 2019. On the other hand, the SEC registered around 100,000 companies till June 30, 2019. This shows that around 59% corporate entities failed to comply with the mandatory requirement. FBR on Saturday last said it received 2.34 million returns from salaried and business individuals, while the Association of Individuals filed another 62,403 returns. If an individual, under the tax ordinance, fails to file returns of income by due date, then such individual is required to pay a penalty equal to 0.1% of the tax payable in respect of that tax year for each day of default, the law said. This is subject to a maximum penalty of 50% of the tax payable, provided that if the penalty worked out as aforesaid is less than 40,000 rupees or no tax is payable for that tax year, such person shall pay a penalty of 40,000 rupees. FBR News Updates highlights: updated ATL contains names of over 2.4 million taxpayers. The Federal Board of Revenue, FBR, has issued the updated active taxpayers list, ATL, on Monday. According to a tax expert, the FBR has issued the new active taxpayers list, ATL, displaying names of 2,446,294 taxpayers comprising 2,342,701 individuals, 62,403 associations of persons and 40,988 companies as per the FBR data of tax returns. For tax year 2018, by the end of February 2019, there were 1.59 million taxpayers on ATL. During the 1st of March 2019 till the end of February 2020, around 0.09 million had additionally filed returns and become filer, keeping in view tax year 2018 latest ATL of 1.68 million. With the issuance of new ATL considering tax year 2019 and as per the law, the ATL will be subsequently updated every Sunday at 2400 hours, covering the late filers in the ATL as per Rule 81b4 of the Income Tax Rules, 2002. Allow Cameron Ali. We will be back at your service again soon with new news updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz own as ear. GMW Solutions. The Consultant. GMW Solutions, a Karachi-based Pakistani consultancy firm, who provide best and proper consultancy services for all tax issues, income tax registrations, sales tax registrations, GST/SDRN monthly returns/filings. Income tax annually filings. FBR notices compliance, corporate filing, company registrations as proprietorship, partnership, association of persons, private limited, incorporation, SECP Matters, trademarks, copyrights, logo registrations, NGO registrations, union registrations, Chamber of Commerce certifications, Pakistan Standard Quality Control License, PSQCA. PSCIR testing, PSCIR laboratory testing, PUL certifications, ISO certifications, all standards, export-import license, WEBOC, Pakistan Engineering Council certifications, FBR business license, professional tax and excise taxation, and all business licenses, certifications, etc. GMW Solutions now introduce GMW Law Firm, our aim challenge to injustice. We have team of experienced professional lawyers. Our lawyers team give you best advocacy services for all civil, criminal, family and other cases. Feel free to contact us. Call us 031 222 61573. Join us on WhatsApp 033433515532. We are available 24/7 online.